Our hunts start with a land shake.
Let's go, dude.
Let's go. How about it, dude?
Looks like 2 of them have the body to be a tom. I'm not seeing a beard swing, but pretty far, I can't tell. We drove back past the spot we were planning on going. The turkeys are already out there, so right now we're just kind of watching them mosey around in the field. I don't think there's a tom out in the field right now, but I'm almost certain there's a tom in the woods somewhere right around them. Right now they're working back into the woods, and once they get back in there, I think we're gonna sneak in after them.
You ready, Maya?
Ready. Let's do this thing.
Ow! Ow!
Uh-oh, starting to rain.
You heard a gobble? Where was it? Good deal, good deal. Alright, it's about 11:30. We're on a piece of permission. We're coming in on a neighboring property, but we heard a gobble down in this bottom. We are going to hit a fence line, so we can't go right to him, but we can get too close. I'm sure he's got hens, but maybe we can pull him off of him. See what happens. Back down in the bottom, it sounded like on that. Alright, we got this bird fired up. I'm gonna call from the decoys real quick. Hopefully get a response and then make a setup here. Rain's coming in soon, so we gotta do this quick. Yeah, they're right down there. Boom. Oh, he's coming. He's right there. Get your gun up. He's out in that field on the neighbor's property. I can help you. I'll let you know when to shoot. As soon as he hits that hole that I cleared for you, you can shoot him. You see him? He's still pretty far. Yeah, I see him. Just let him keep coming. Let him keep coming. Shoot him whenever. Shoot him.
Look, I missed him.
Oh, that's okay. It's okay. Did you have a shot there?
It was like
Right between that stuff. Oh well. Stupid. That's okay. That was sweet.
Sorry, yeah. You got any shaking coming in? Are you shaking real bad, or
not really,
you felt good about the
surprisingly.
shot? Oh well. It's okay. We'll get on another. That was so cool though. It only took 10 minutes.
Damn it.
We'll look at the footage and see what happened there.
I didn't even get a good look at him. Did you?
Yeah.
Did he have a nice beard?
No.
Oh, good.
We didn't want him anyway.
It was practice. Practice shot. Oh, damn it.
Oh well.
It's okay. We'll get him.
Yeah.
We'll get him.
So where was he when he shot, you think?